Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn how to auto-resize text area using the React. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let me open the tutorial. Okay, so we will open this to open with the terminal. Okay, now we have to install the package that is auto-resize. Let's install this. Okay, let's open the code. Okay, let's comment the previous one and add the new one code over here. So this is for the React Resize text area. Okay, just added. Let's go and run this. Npm run start and hit enter, and here we go with this one. Okay, so type something and it automatically resize. I don't need to do anything. You can see the resizing part automatically. Okay, because I have defined the maximum rows and the columns. According to it, it's not going to be in the scrolling. Now it add a scroll over here, okay, automatically, right? So let's see how we have implemented this one. So let's have a look on that one. So view word wrap. Okay, so very easy and simple component. We are using the React and the use state from the React text area auto size from the React text area auto size. So here we have our values to set, initialize the states, handle change. We are going to set the value event or target dot value. Okay, so what these are, this is the component of the text area auto size which requires the value, min rows, max rows if you want, on change, placeholder that is typing, and the style width. You can adjust the width according to the UI, and the number of characters we are just printing. Okay, so easy. Just adding such lines of codes will give you the text area auto size in the React. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.